Hey, it's Graham here from Team Flitz. A couple weeks ago we shot a video talking about our brass and copper tarnish remover and how to clean a piece of metal that was non-coated, or why our product didn't work because it had a coating on it. Well, since that video, we've got some comments and some questions about how do I get rid of a coating if it's on a piece of metal. Well, I'm going to tell you how to do that. It's a really quick, easy process, and here's what you need. I got some Rust-Oleum here, aircraft remover. I picked this up at the hardware store. Runs like around 10 bucks or so. But basically what you want to do is spray this onto the area. This is my coated piece of metal. I got a little strip in between here to show you the difference. So we're going to spray that on, let it sit for about a minute or two, and then what you want to do is rinse it off good with water, dry it off, and that should remove that clear coat. So you should be able to use our brass and copper tarnish remover and the paste polish to make it shine like new. Well, we got our aircraft stripper on there. Let's see if it will do the magic that we need to get off that clear coat. Again, I have gloves on, if you didn't notice. This stuff is pretty wicked. It has a little bit of a smell, so if you're doing a larger area, I'd recommend doing it in a outside area or a well-ventilated area as well. All right, we're gonna take the brass and copper tarnish remover. We're gonna spray it right on. Let's see if we got that clear coat right off. Again, this product is safe, so I'm going to use it with my finger. Gloves were on before because we're using the aircraft grade stripper, which is wicked stuff. So what you'll see, I'm working this in a little bit here, and hit this with a little water and neutralize this, and dry this off. If you can now make it out, that's where the clear coat's gone, and now it's ready to be polished. We're going to take our handy dandy Flitz that we used in the last video, put it right on the area, and we're going to grab a paper towel and buff it in and buff it right off. Let's see if it works and brings it back to life. Instantly what you're going to start seeing now again is the oxidation coming off the metal. So we know now that there is no clear coat on here, so we're in good shape. And within seconds, your finish will come right back out to new. There you have it. So if you need to get rid of your clear coat on your metal, again, I like to use the aircraft aluminum stripper, but if there's something else that you like, great, go for it. I just find this to work real quick and easy, and it's not really that expensive. And then again, your brass and copper tarnish remover and your Flitz paste polish will bring your finish right back out to life. Thanks so much for checking out the video, and remember, Flitz it.